in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We're in there. We throwing money in the airline. We're in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We're in there. We throwing money in the airline. We're in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We're in there. Throwing money in the airline. We're in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
Trap in a code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pin a fold, never tell me killer fold. Everybody coming from the hood, so not kidnapped. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same blood, living in a prison.
We throwing money in the airline. We're in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We're in there. We throwing money in the airline. We're in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We're in there. We throwing money in the airline. We're in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We're in there. I come in with a scheme, man.
Big with that scheme, man. Fofo with the fofo.
Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag. We're in here, one don't care. We ain't fit, can't get
In here. In here. Dancing everywhere. Everywhere designer, everywhere designers, everywhere designers, everywhere. Worst bar for bar ever. We're in there. We're in there. We're in there. Airline. The young who. Hey. Young fishing. Hey, catch him with the pitching. With petition. Question man tension. You gotta change. Money on my mind. We in there. We in there. Money. Dollar bill, y'all. That's what make the world go round. That's another beautiful day. Ain't gonna lie, I am doing two things at one time. I'm currently live streaming and I'm cooking. So I got a timer on my watch. But let's see. Dang, man. I got fried, bruh. I got fried with my 2 trades. Oh, let me review them right quick. I'm gonna do that immediately. Amazon, man. My SL got popped. Look at that. Son. You know, that's why it takes patience. Ooh, but look, now we back above this point, and it really is a good buy right now. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, so much pain. But look like, give it. Actually, I'm not go live on G. I'm just gonna be straight here. But ooh, so much pain, dog. Look at that. SL gets smacked. It was hey Tyler. What's on with you, bro? What you doing? How's your day? Actually, I'm struggle streaming. Let me show you. I'm not even showing y'all the screen, but check out my trade. Got cooked, bro. Immediate. Ha. Man, I wish I can ban people, bro. You be the first to be banned, goofball. Talking about how I look like, boy, or whatever, girl, or dude, whatever you is, talking trash on the internet. You look like dirt. Shit, your feet probably got dirt in it. Your teeth got dirt in it. Dirty mouth, talking like that. Talking trash in my chat, bro. I'll ban you right now. Playing with me. Ugly out boy. Don't play with me. But anyways, look at this. Oh my God. Talk about retest. Damn, look at this retest today. This happened today too. Bink. Just retested it and came back. LOL dead. LOL, yeah, I'm about to LOL these nuts in your face, boy. Anyway, this is a financial stream. I'm gonna keep it professional. But look at this trade, man. This trade went terribly wrong. Well, it's either I just got into it early. I could have been a little more patient. Could have bought above right here, but now prices. Bro said Bambi. Hey D the baddest. What's in with it, broski? What's in with it, broski? We talking about money on your mind. And then let's talk about this other trade, man. Kroger, bro. Tell why Kroger? I buy it right here. Why Kroger just gaps down immediately? You're supposed to be gapping up. Kroger, what is wrong with you, man? And this is so immediately Kroger does me down. Hey, what's up, Misty? Was that Misty? Yeah, Kroger cooks me immediately. Man said JK. Hey Tyler, you a hater, bro. Calling me a block of dirt. You got braces? Man, I'm trying to have a straight smile. Crooked Smile by, hey, I'm gonna play that Crooked Smile by J. Cole. Does J. Cole still have crooked teeth? I'm gonna look that up. J. Cole teeth. Does he still have Crooked Smile? Man, who remembers this, bruh? Oh shit, his shit is cooked. Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate your smile. Oh my God, Jay. He still got it. God damn. How's he clean this one? J. Cole, bruv. Wait, this look like he got it fixed, bruh. J. Cole fixed his teeth, bruh. J. Cole fixed his teeth, man. J. Cole fixed his teeth, man. Hey, man. How you make a whole song, Crooked Smile? Hey, I'm glad they fixed his teeth. Cause ain't no way, yeah. Crooked Smile, man. J. Cole got it. Cause this picture, it look like, dang, I think it's one side. Jermaine Cole, man. Jermaine Cole, bro. He need to fix. Man, I'm not that wrong, bro. I'm just saying, bro. J. Cole got too much money to not get some braces, man. Man, he need to fix it. Nah, man. I'm not that wrong, bro. D the baddest. He know he gotta fix this shit, man. No way, boy. How you clean the back? How do you break? Bro, that's not even good. I know he can't he can't eat into some. Nah, man, you gotta fix that, man. Oh my, Jermaine Cole, sir. I know he fixed his smile. Ain't no way. Before and after. Come on, man. We gotta fix that, Jermaine. I'm gonna play YouTube. I'm gonna play it on YouTube. Man, go show some love to my YouTube channel. We got 67. Can we get to 69 subscribers by the end of this live stream? J. Cole, man, I'm about to get a copyright for this, man. I'm about to get a copyright for this, G. On my way now. I'm gonna get a copyright for this, but I did this for y'all, yeah. Man, J. Cole. Hey, that's it. That's all I can play before I get the copyright. I ain't trying to play with YouTube, man. I ain't trying to play with YouTube. That's all y'all get. Actually, nah. Let me go back, man. J. Cole, Crooked Smile. Crooked Smile, man. Let's see. On my way now. That's it. J. Kolski. Jakoski, man. Jakoski. But let's back to this trades, man. Terrible execute. I'm not gonna say execution. I'm just not having the best month, man. August has been terrible. And then one thing I noticed is, hey, completed my circle, my movement goal. Okay, let's go to. Dang, I saw some that went crazy, bro. Was it Reddit? It was Reddit, man. I've Reddit. I've Reddit. Earnings Hub. Man, where is Reddit? I got Reddit. Reddit went crazy. Roblox, you know, this Roblox is but thanks for the compliment. I appreciate it. King and Queen and Quang. Cause you're the baddest. Boom. Then we got this right here. But shout out, ooh, we got indication on Robloxky. We got indication on the upside too. Boom. Boom. Nah, that's when we start zooming in. Up to this level, I'm selling. Look, another opportunity right here. Selling opportunity on Robloxky. Dang, where is Reddit, man? Kroger. F Kroger, man. Look what Kroger does when I get into it, man. Straight ridiculousness. But hold on, let me check on my food. In the meanwhile, shit, y'all could just look at my couch chair. Hey, I'm back. I'm back. I'm better. And we back to do this forever. Woo. All right, then. All right. Am I straight? Yeah, I am. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Phone stand. Okay, cool. All right. Yeah. Okay, so just price went to TP. I mean SL. What I could have worked on. Work. on being patient with the market. Entry could have been better, and you went in on Monday morning. That was a media L, but let's look at Netflix. Netflix looks pretty decent. Netflix, Boeing. See how Boeing looks like. Technical analysis. Let's see. Let's do a whole daily. Let's clear this up. Let's go no 1 month. See. Okay. This is maybe Boeing is getting back to this all-time high. But let's have it where Boeing 4-hour, maybe in a daily. See where Boeing is moving. Yeah, there's resistance right here. Boom. And we got the support right here. Support, resistance, going on 1 hour. Seeing boom, boom. Have indication above here. Price could push above this level. Okay, Cisco. Earnings after earnings. Beating earnings by 1%. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Where is what I'm looking for? Roku. Royalty. The Royal Caribbean. Okay. Let's see. Seeing some resistance right here. Let's go on daily. Yep. Seeing some resistance. I'm on the way, on the way, on the way. Doing downtrend, so looking for sales below this level. Looking for sales below that level. But just knowing us, it could continue to so below right here. PayPal. Let's clear this. Going to monthly. I'm just doing technical analyzing, you know. Weekly. Yeah, this level right here. I finally broke. I went crazy. Weekly. But okay. Update here. Boom. Oh, sometimes I get a feeling. Yeah. They got a smaller play. Let's see. Let's see if this goes up here. You know what? Let's see on PayPal. On PayPal rolls, man. Ooh, sometimes you can get a feeling. Yeah. I get a feeling like I'm never, ever. No feeling. Yeah. Click. I'm gonna pay that. Roku. Roku gonna break above this. Let's clear this. Let's clear this. Let's see. Let's do an actual analyzing of Roku. See. Look at this week. Got a bad week. There it is. So I broke above this distance on the daily. Roku's broken above this level. I'm like my daily right here. Roku will push to this 95 level. Roku pushing above this 95. Let's see. Roku ski. Dun. Bro, where is it? Be great. Okay, let's see. Kava is at a good buying point. Boom. Kavana. I was called Kavana Kava. Boom. E. My MD's gone. MD's gone. Look at Kava. Oh my. And then the indicator, look, price stayed at the resistance. I mean, support. Broke through below. Kava. Starbucks wants to see how Starbucks wants to look like. Look at this. Broke through resistance. Hitting all-time highs. Wingstop. This is during earnings. Now it's pulling back. Let's see. Here. Weekly. Looking at the weekly right now. Look at the daily. Not too bad. Oh man. On the 4 hour. Gap is ridiculous. But I definitely see this. Boom. Boom. No. Price can continue downward. Wingstop. Wingstop. Walmart. Walmart broke. Dang, Walmart finally broke this level. It's coming back to retest. Gold. Where did my thing go? Pivots. Boom. Okay. Under 1 month. Food. My guy goes been on a tear. 2022. Wow. And consolidating. And okay. Dogecoin. Draw. Hold on, I'll be back. And I'm better. Back and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. We're looking at Dogecoin. Okay, on a little uptrend. Okay, look at the long-term play. Daily resistance. Resistance. We held this over right here pretty well. I was about to break this level. Sheesh. I put $100 in Dogecoin, man. Targeting its levels, man. I'm gonna stay right here. Boom. Okay, gotta find Pinterest. Verblansky. XRP. Volunteer. Gone. J&J. They gone crazy. Robinhood. Coming back to this resistance. What's going on hourly? Let's see. Boom. FedEx doing FedEx things. Let's reanalyze this. Reanalyze this. I now removed my ending. Boom. And it hide. All right. Pretty good on revenue. Damn. Okay. Money, future investment. Reddit. Oh my gosh. There's Reddit. Look what Reddit did in the past freaking 13 days. Just awesome. Going crazy, man. Shout out Reddit. Na. Micro super Ooh, Turbo earnings. Is it? Yeah. Turbo weak. That's probably because of earnings. Yep. Yeah. February. Jeez Louise. Wow. I analyze this. When did I analyze this? Oh my gosh. Wow. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'll be back. I'm about to make some rice. Really got any rice left? Really got any rice left? ChatGPT. What to expect rest a week in the stock market? Boom. Let's see how they go. Let's see how this goes. Okay, key drivers. Focus this week. Inflation reported. So Tuesday, CPI investors are closely watching July. Da, da, da. Oh my God. The bottom line, expect to continue positively in the end of the week, driven by inflation data and remaining earnings reports. Market may push higher if data reports supports the narrative of easing prices and continue corporate strength, but caution is warranted as seasonally and valuation risk could change the tone. Okay, damn, I'm just tired. Let's see. IPO. What's on the IPO? Let's look at bullish. Bullish, man. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. June 13th, 12. Where that bullish went? Let's look at it. Tripping. Where the heck did that? Oh my gosh. Elite Express. BLSH. Immediately. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, the pump and dump is ridiculous. Just ridiculous. Damn. It should probably offer. I want to keep. You listen. It's pretty cool. It was see. Back test. Let's see. I wasn't saying nothing. Yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just. Let's see. Beautiful. One thing I like that I'm doing that. I want to do one thing. Oh no. And then she just got to be more. That's fire. See where prices, and then Friday, 10:23. Select a date. Boom, 1 month. 11. Time 3. I select. Oh, what else on this? Okay, cool. Cool. Ooh. Hold on, my timer went off again. I have to go and check out the food. Cooking, ma'am. Sorry. Food is almost ready. We're back testing live on YouTube. All right, who can do it better than me? I don't think they can do it better than me. I ain't got that much energy, but I can. What are you cooking, bro? I am cooking some stew. I got potatoes in there. I got chicken, shrimp, spinach, onions, peppers, a bit of olive oil, just all stewing up with some rice on the side. It's about to be delicious, Kevin. It's about to be delicious. It's about to be delicious. Okay. Let me erase all this. Boom. Erased. One indicator I like is this. Is it Alt? It's Alt V actually. Alt B. That's all good stuff. Yeah, man. I'm about to be chefing it up, man. I'm about to be eating as soon as I get off this live, bruh. As soon as I get off this live, bruh, I'm about to be going crazy. I'm about to be going crazy. But what do you think of my stock analyzing? It's only on the technical side. I'm not doing fundamental analyzing. What do you think about it, though? What do you think, Mr. Calvin? I don't know, how would you say your name? Mr. Calv. What do you think, brother? Oh no. Okay, on the monthly. Okay. So I'm looking at it. So we just, let's mark this right quick. This is it looks good. I'm trying to learn everything myself, not gonna lie. Bro, yeah, trading is, bro, go back to my old past live streams. Go on my YouTube channel. Go on my YouTube channel. Please go back to Uganda Trades, man. Hey, we got a new subscriber. Let's get it. But go to my, dang, I don't really have like a, actually, you wanna learn, somebody could teach you? Go to Trades by Sai. Trades by Sai. He got some good quality videos you can learn. Like these videos, man. Watch all these right here. Describe trying to learn from my Chromebook. Yeah, bro. Use this right here, man. Trades by Sai. Like free, And then what I did for me, I just took his concept and made it my own. And that's how you're supposed to be as a trader. You gotta take some that works and make it your own. Like that's pretty much all of trading. Take something that works and put your own spin on it. You can't fully copy somebody everywhere. You could if you want. So trading is not about, people giving you free signals and all that. Trading is about you taking the right, move and then, getting in and getting out. It's easier to take digital or physical notes. I started with the physical notes. I feel like having a journal. You have a journal right here. A lot of stuff went in here, man. A lot of stuff. A lot. But I think physical for sure. Get a physical journal, man. It would be way easier for you. Easier to, And then one thing I wish I did earlier in my trading is get some audiobooks. Get a lot of audiobooks. Even if you like to physically read a lot of financial books, especially like, Trading in the Zone. What's trading? Right here. This is one of my first books I've read, but I've started reading. Right now I'm currently listening to Market Wizards, the new Market Wizards. It's kind of a slow read. It's kind of a snoozer, some interviews are trash. But yeah, take physical notes. Take it easy, man. Take it easy. Don't rush the process, and just put yourself out there. be consistent. Don't be discouraged by the losses, because losses will come. Oh no. Oh no. But Daly's going crazy though. My tips, man. Just take it day by day. Like everything not gonna click all at once. You're gonna have highs and lows, man. And the lows could be tough. You know, a lot of people don't survive the lows. Okay, bet. Are you live every day? I try to be. I try to be. I try to be live at least 4 times a week. So I'm gonna try to get on tomorrow. I don't know about if I got Friday plans, but try to be live every day. Yep. This is indicator right here. We got these all-time highs, but where are we? On a 4 hour, maybe find opportunities on the 4. Yeah, we had this 4 hour resistance / support. You know, put that right here. Resistente. Price broke through that. But yeah, I'll be welcoming new traders, man. I remember when I first started my journey, man. It was in 2020. Man, if I can go back, okay, I'm gonna check out the channels and try to be more consistent with my note taking. Oh yeah, for sure, bro. Journalize, write down your goals, like where you want trading to take you, man. Because for the first, like, I've been trading since 2020. For the first, I think 3 years, 2 years, actually 4 years, I would just trade, and I didn't have, first thing, I didn't have a consistent strategy. So like, as you see me, I have a consistent strategy. I look for, every time I go into the market, I'm always looking for a few things. Before, I would just like, I didn't have a solid strategy where I would rely on, go back to. Like, I didn't have a I didn't have the solid foundational strategy, especially when, like, you know, technical analysis. And then that was more of like boneheaded. It wasn't boneheaded. It was more like just not educating myself, because I was still in college and I thought trading is going to be easy, where you don't have to put in the much time that you need to put in. Because trading, this is how trading works. The more time you put in, the more homework hours, the more studying you do, you're going to learn something new every day, something about yourself or something about the market. And that's how trading works. And also, I didn't take backtesting seriously at all. Like, I didn't take, like, man, I don't need to, you know, practice. I just go in there and, you know, that's like not practicing how to dribble a basketball before you go and play a basketball game. So it takes a lot of practice, you know. That's one thing I learned. It took me forever. It's gonna take practice. It's gonna take you trying to learn every day something new every day, and having a consistent strategy, and through believing it and trusting it, trusting your strategy through the highs and the lows, you know, because you don't want to trade for a while. At one point, I was trading random candlesticks, man. I was just trading whatever, you know. But it's a trial and error. With good mentorship, you can definitely you know, make this path a little easier. For me, I had mentorship, but I just didn't want to pay for it. I was a college student, man. I was broke. I was broke, man. They're talking about $150 a month. I'm like, sir, as a college student, I'm looking at $150 a month. I'm like, broski. Nah, I'd rather spend that on groceries, man. Eat, bruh. And the college struggles is real, man. Broke this resistance. Look how the market was moving, man. A lot of volatility. Oh, and one thing too, I feel like I'm gonna need to do. I'm gonna go ahead and clear a lot of my, like, watch lists. Like, I got the Mag 7, I got the red watch list, earnings hub. I'm gonna clear. Like I'm about to clear a lot of these stocks because first of all, I got too much on my plate, right? So looking at these stocks that a lot of them be consolidating, a lot of them I don't like the movement. They don't, I want to have good moving volatile stock. How would I go by finding a mentor? Man, with a trading game, bruh, the problem with finding a mentor, a lot of times is the blind. A lot of times it's really the blind leading the blind, bruh. Like, there's a lot of online gurus, man. They'll charge you arm and leg to, try to mentor you. They'll charge you arm and a leg to try to mentor your ass. But I feel like if you want to grow, dang, because it's like, dang, I got like 5 years worth of knowledge. If you want to grow, like really grow, just find like-minded. What makes trading easier, especially in the beginning? Try to find like-minded, like new to traders. I think that'll be easier to grow and will be better for you as a new trader. Oh yeah, try to find like the same level. Don't try to find a mentor that's like already made it, because it's like they're gonna be talking about concepts. They're gonna be talking about like things you don't even know. Like as a new trader, you just trying to first just figure out, understand what platforms you're gonna be trading on, what you're gonna be comfortable trading on. Just finding yourself. It's like you just like it's like a whole new world. Whole new world. Man, my food's smelling delicious. So find some traders, and it's gonna be tough, but if you can find like some brothers who gonna stick it out with you, I'd say like life's gonna life though. Life's gonna life. You probably in high school. Like, are you in high school, college, middle school? Shit. I got middle schoolers sometimes asking me about this. It's like, bro, just ask your parent. Just tell your parents to invest for you, bro. Put some money in the markets for you. But finding a mentor is tough, especially like someone you can trust. Like finding a mentor that you can go see physically too. A lot of these online mentors, they just be fronting, right? But I want you like to have a mentor that's trading, right? That's above you, like success-wise above you more. Just graduated high school in May. Okay. Dang, this is the perfect time, bro. So yeah, just find someone who's like not way ahead of you, just someone who's like, knows just a little more than you. They can, help you trade, not trade, but help you get started, help you get to certain certain level. Because it's like all about leveling up. So out of high school, dang, it's a great time, bro. Great time. But with trading, I'll say you also gotta learn how to invest. Not invest, you ain't gotta learn, because like investing is a lot easier than trading, but investing takes a little longer. For you, straight out of high school, just work on one thing is work on practicing. So back test a lot, open up as many sim accounts you can, and low key just build, like try to put your money in investments. So try to put your money in the right investments. Like try to buy. I'm not going to tell you what to buy, because the market. I think like the market is kind of at all time highs. Like we ain't seen any significant pullbacks. Like we're riding months high. Oh now, did I lose my? I didn't. Okay, cool. But straight out of high school, like you probably gonna find your first job. Like try to save up some money. Like save up money, put in investing, practice as much as you can before you. That's one thing I wish someone told me that, bro. Because when I started investing in 2020, like, I was getting some money, and I ain't gonna lie, like it's new. I didn't. Dang, I didn't. I wish I just socked it away, like invested it, and I just practice one strategy, master that strategy, and then with all the money that I invested, take out like a little bit, take out like partial, and then try to trade that live account. The way I started was literally I joined the MLM. I didn't even know I was joining MLM because I thought, okay, boom, I wanna learn how to trade and invest, and they were telling me, hey man, I'm gonna teach you how to trade and invest, not just trade. And I joined, bro. The first week I noticed they were not talking about trading. They were only talking about recruiting. So I left, but I found somebody that taught me, taught me, he taught me like what strategy? He taught me, I think, Fibonacci strategy. I like the Fibonacci, but like, I don't know. Low key, Fibonacci works. Fibonacci works, calculating your pullbacks. So I can see like utilizing a fib. Yeah, I'm trying to find a decent job. I'm learning how to trade, or I'll leave for the military later on this year. Oh yeah, bro. Military gonna build that discipline up, bro. And then one thing, like we a military, let's say you start getting paid with the military. I'll tell you this, brother. Don't blow it. Don't blow it. Like look at like whatever contract, the 4-year contract, look at it like this. Ooh, you know who went in the military? Honey Drip, bro. You gotta watch this dude videos, man. Honey Drip. Honey Drip. Honey Drip Network. Aristotle. Bro was in the military, bro. He's goated. He's goated. This is why he's the reason why I'm in I trade options, man. And the reason I even started trading options is because that ass MT5 couldn't trade on MT5 in the US anymore because I was trading offshore brokers. They asses got cooked, so definitely had to get into that, Let's see.
What's a good month for a barber? 6, 8. What's like if you a trash barber, like you probably still make a 5, huh? Because I was in the military, I can only make.
Look, he was in the military.
What I was doing was I was living off my army money and investing my barber money. So I would just put the whole 3K into the stock market. That's how I got my first initial money to invest. But then I started to save 1,000 out of my army money too. So I would make 4K a month from the army, but I would still put in 1,000 for.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. Honey Drip is really good. Trade by Side is really good. And then the last YouTuber I recommend is me. It's me, bro. I'll be dropping that game, bro. I'll be dropping hella game for the free ski. Oh, you seen the Honey Drip one? Yeah, bro. Became a millionaire out the military, bro. He has a good story, bro. And the last trader I recommend is me, bro. Be dropping hella game. Money Sundays are fire. I'll be more prepared, and I'll be presenting slideshows and stuff on that Money Sunday streams, bro. Fire streams. And then I come back during the week just to, look at markets, keep it G. Keep it G, bro. But like, bro, I'll tell you, you trading, if you stay consistent, that's my problem. I did not stay consistent. If you stay consistent, my guy, check. If you stay consistent with trading, bro, you will like start to like make bread, but like you gotta have a journal, practice every day. Like stuff I say, like this is like free mentorship, low key. I should be charging for this, but stay consistent with it. Oh shoot. Let me go check my food. Oh. Put that heat on low. Put that heat on the low. Oh yeah, bro. She. That's life. That's what I'm saying. Like life happens. Like when I first started trading, bro. Like life. Like I wasn't in the best position to stay consistent because I was in college. I was doing college things. And I was schooling. I had track practice. On top of that, like I feel I was just younger. I was focusing on the wrong things, and once I got a lot of things out of my system, like you gonna get better. Just keep your mind, to this shit. You gotta fall in love with this shit. You're gonna fall in love with trading for sure, man. I fell in love. Like with opportunity too. It's like the amount of opportunities you can gain off of this, ridiculous. That's what I can say, just ridiculous. And yeah, that's the only three YouTubers I recommend. You know, Trade by Side, ICC Concept, and he keeps it G. He has nice vlogs, man. Like I like listening to this guy. Keeps it $100, man. No. Then I like Aristotle, even though he be trying to sell his Discord, which is a really good Discord. I would join, but me knowing myself, I can't trade other people's signals because if I take a loss, I can't correct it because it's like someone else's. How much do you usually charge for a mentorship? I don't have a mentorship, but I'll charge for like, depends on like how much time you're demanding, bro. Like I charge for a conversation, bro. Like I charge for a conversation, man. Let's say you want to hop on this Discord call for like, like hours and stuff. Man, like I'll charge you like probably for like a whole week. Not the whole week. Yeah, like a whole week. Where you from first? You gotta tell me where you from. Let me send you. Let me post my Discord. Let me post my Discord to the chat. I charge probably like $100, bro, for like weeks worth of content, man. Not content, but mentorship. I don't think that people are supposed to be mentored for Florida. Okay, cool. You about to go to the military too. You probably 18, 19. And start up, fool. I got a Discord channel. I'm in this group called Money Moves. I'm about to leave in 2026 though. I'm about to create Uganda Forest server forever. I'm about to create that Uganda Trades. Just moved back to with my parents from Florida. Okay. And you about to go back to the military. You about to go to the military. Bro, is there any way you can join the forces, or you already signed those papers, bro? Go to Air Force, man. Military sound tough, man. Military sound tough. But let me do this. Shoot. Right. Damn. Let's see. You haven't signed yet. LOL. I was supposed to leave in July with the Marines. They got changed, man. The Marines, man. Those are tough, bro. Dang. What made you decide you want to join the Marines, man? Everybody trying to join the Force or the Army. Air Force or the Army. Yeesh. Boy, you about to be in mad shape. Oh! That boy gonna be doing mad push-ups. Hope they don't deploy you somewhere crazy, man. Sheesh, bro. I'd rather you flying planes, dropping nukes on folks. I mean, nah, I'm not gonna say that on YouTube. Yuck. I'm probably YouTube. I did not say it like that. YouTube, I did not say it like that. I didn't mean that. Mentality shift. Oh yeah, bro. Your mentality about to change, bro. And depending on what part of Florida. Oh yeah, bro. Military, bro. They're gonna build you up. You're gonna come back, bro. You're gonna be like, bro. You're gonna be. I'm gonna be in the Air Force maintenance. Oh yeah. Oh, bro. You know what you can do with that? You can become a mechanic for an airline, and you can get paid like crazy. You can shift that, or you can learn how to trade and become she become a millionaire and F it. Become, self-sustaining by herself. But you gotta do that. You gotta do what Aristotle did, man. You gotta find a side hustle within the military, man. Cut hair, do something. Man, that's pretty dope, man. That's pretty dope. Shout out to you, bro. Hey, I wish you the best of luck. And don't forget, man, trading, you can always learn, bro. There's always so many. I charge $100 to mentor for like a week or so. But guess what? I'm gonna give you a lot of stuff, man. I'm gonna give you a lot of book recommendations. I'm gonna teach you what to look for in the market. And you called me at the right time. I was really about to back test. Really about to start back testing. Oh, this holiday right here. Oh yeah. Alt V. Yeah, I want to stack up my while I'm in. Oh yeah, man. But the best certification, bro, just get a barber, cut some hair. She like Aristotle said it, bro. Who started stacking in the military? Listen to this guy. Listen, I think he has some good podcasts, bro. This Aristotle, man. He got shorts, got YouTube videos. And then there's this guy, man. But stack your paper. Foremost, stack your paper. That's what's important. Stack your paper. Have like at least 18 by 22. You should at least have like 30 grand in not savings only, but invested. So invest that money, bro. And then one thing I'll say, let's say you come from people who don't got it like that. They're going to see you stacking. They're going to start asking you for money. Don't give your money away. Because guess what? You giving your money to them, they're going to keep coming back with your money. Man, that's what's crazy. But when you stacking your bread, bro, you gonna watch it grow. My recommendation is you're gonna be in the military. You probably gonna be earning like $1,000 a week. Bro, just try to at least put like $400 in the stock market and save the rest. Because you can eat for free, sleep for free, shit for free if you're in the military, if you are deployed. So like and then you're getting paid like $1,000 a week, bro. Just stack it, put it somewhere. Oh, $800 a week. I don't know how much when you're a new booty. I don't know how much they pay you, but stack that. Eat the commissary. Don't go party. Don't. It's okay to party here and there. You're not gonna be like a freaking robot, but just know the end goal. Your end goal is to leave the army with like at least some money stacked up on the side. And you can also do side hustles, man. Like shit, learn the business, learn the certification, man. While you're in there, bro. Learn how to ooh, our alarms be going off. But just learn. That's why I say learn. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Dang, I'm supposed to be back testing. We're about to head into the new year. This is a holiday week. I'm not even going to trade this. This is 2023. We're about to go in 2024. Actually, we're about to see you're trading the holidays. F it, man. Money got to be made, bruh. No days off. Okay. Okay, boom. Christmas, man. This is like Thanksgiving. Yeah, we're about to go on Thanksgiving and shit. Thanksgiving. But man, I'm supposed to send a Discord into the chat. Let me do that right quick, man. Discord invite. Yonder trades. Copy this link. Go to the Discord. Twitch. Man. Let me go to the chat. There we go. I just dropped it. Man. I just dropped the Discord invite, brother. But I'm back testing right now, man. Practicing. Practice makes perfect. Ain't gonna lie, I don't see no. Well, it's going. I think it's gonna hit that. But we are in the holiday week, so this is during the holidays. But I don't know. Let's see how to get this moving now. See next Friday. Boom. Friday. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Broke. It's all-time highs. Dang. Food smelling delicious. Oof. Broke this all-time high and went crazy. Crazy. Let's see how the next week moves. Let's see. Any opportunity. Really isn't overextended, but hey. I'm gonna keep it buck. Keep it moving. Okay. This is towards the end of the week too. Repeat this. Back testing. Till my rice was ready. That's my rice cooker, bro. This stream is butter, and I'm gonna give it 10 more minutes before I end the stream. Food is almost ready, King. My food is actually ready. I'm just gonna back test for like 10 more minutes because I'm starving, bro. Cooking while streaming, bro. I do it all. Yeah. I say 4-hour resistance right here. But we're in the holidays, though. We're in the holidays, man. So things might be moving with a grain of salt. So let's go into the next week, man. Boom. Okay. See how much level of focus you need. Like, okay, so price is failing to break this. This is the week before Christmas. Let's see. Are we buying above the resistance? We are. Okay. Let's see. How much? Clearly, we are at all-time highs. Yeah, we are all-time highs. Let's look at the daily. Like super all-time. Oh, no. This is the all-time highs over here. Let's mark that. Boom. Let's see if, Christmas is going to come early for us. We might hit that all-time high. All right, let's see it. All right, I'm greedy. I'm gonna protect my bank, bro. You know one thing about trading, bro? You gotta protect that bank. All right, so we're in the middle of the week. I'm gonna take that Dow Wow for sure. Let's see what happens. Okay, for a while. Wow. Protecting my capital. Middle of the week. It is Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning. I'm flattening. I'm taking that 4K. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? If price wants to go up, I secured 4K. Risk one. Oh wow. Look at that. That's what I like doing too. That's why I'll notice what I like doing. I like taking profit because let's say I'm comfortable with a certain profit level. I wanna take some of that profit, and then like I can still add on and see if price can continue that way. So it's like pretty much margining, and then look at it. Just Christmas came early, man. Christmas came early. Got 6 minutes. Okay, boom. Monday comes. Monday comes. Let's see. Being patient. Being patient, man. Then let's find the next Friday. Come on, Friday, end of Friday. Ooh, Christmas was on Saturday. Wow. Christmas was on a Saturday. Well, Kevin, yep. All right, let's see. Man, I'm starving, not gonna lie, G. I'm starving. All right, F it. Oh, got some pullbacks. You know, people trying to get that Christmas money. They're selling off on that Christmas money. All right, let's see. This support level. Let's go into 4 hour. Okay. Price is holding that, held it pretty tightly. Draw it up. Man, trading during Christmas, the day before Christmas, is diabolical. And then boom, Christmas came and went. Christmas came and went because Christmas was on a Sunday. Christmas was on a Sunday. Wait, yeah, Christmas was on that Friday. You have this resistance. And we're cooking right now. I'm cooking like hot grease. All right, let's see, Friday. Bro, I'm ending this stream immediately after this timer. You know you hungry when you checking it. I got this. Man, I got 5 minutes of me back testing, bro. I'm starving. OG starving, Drew. Let's see. 1 4 hour just to check, see how things looking. Okay. Is price gonna break this resistance too? Cause yeah, let's go back to the broke through. Oh yeah. Oh now. Let's see. See how I like it. Okay. Okay, me buy risk 3,000. Wow. But how much more can you extend before the end of the year? That's the thing. Like I'm looking at it like, okay, we're like next year is like around the corner. Next year is around the corner. So is price gonna overextend for the end of the year? To end the year pretty good. And that's what I'm risking right now. Oh no, people selling off. Yep. And it's Friday. Friday. I take my L. I'll take my L on Friday. Boom. Oh, okay. Price want to buy into the new year. All right, I'm buying above that. Buying above you. Let's do this. Buying above this level. Okay, you failed miserably. She's being patient. Yep. Now we're seeing smaller time frame. I see indicators. We're seeing indicators. Let's do this. Yep. Nope. It is the beginning of the year too, so we gotta note that. And we're approaching Friday. Alright, reselling. I know it's Friday. Hate trading on Fridays. Let's see. Can I? It's good enough. If I get a good price movement, I'll hold throughout the weekend. But if not, I'll sell. Nope. Immediately stumped out. Dang. That's just bad luck. Let's see what Friday does. Consolidating this level. Let's go on a 4-hour. Okay. Making lower lows. Monday. And then we're gonna sell on a Monday. Bam, bam, bam. Nope. It's gonna continue upward. This is like this is in the middle of this. Buying above this. I'll try to sell below this. And my timer is up, bro. Okay, let me do like one more trade, man. One more trade before I get out of here. Get it? Man, it's been consolidating. This makes sense, you know, it's the beginning of the year. Not gonna make any drastic moves, man. Being patient. And we almost ended the week. Man, come on. Look at this consolidation right here. Level. And I'm gonna be patient too. I'm gonna be patient. So right there. Boom. Give them the space. Boom. Let's see how this goes. Look at that. TP right here. No. Oh well. That's it. Right there in my journal. Should have closed, took profit, but it is what it is. I'm ending my trading 2024. Damn. In 2024 with it. Oof. Actually, let's see where this goes. I ain't done. And are we gonna continue? just being patient with it too. We're gonna break above this level finally. Let's see. Did. Sure. And I'm keeping my money. Let's get it. Look at that. Don't fall in love with current, you know, look, I could have closed my for profit here. Did not, but hey, quickly turned it around. So change that to, but yo, bro, win rate. Look at this, man. Day 144. Dang. Actually, I'm on day 146. 46 of the year, man. Pretty good. Done pretty good. This is pretty good, though. Took us out. Thank you for the tips. Definitely gonna tune in into your platforms. Hey, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Hey, man, I'm on Discord. Uganda Trades is my Discord name. Let me know, but if you have questions, I'll be happy to provide. But not gonna lie, everything not gonna be for free. It's caught me on a good day. But be safe. I'm about to go eat, man. I'm starving. This live stream is over. I just back tested for y'all, and practice makes perfect. Got my trade logbook. Got a trade logbook. You need a trade logbook. I got my journal. Been had it since 2024, and every year, man, it's a work in progress. See, what's crazy, I had this since 2024, but I've not been using it correctly. Sometimes you just need to buy things, man, and you're not going to use it properly, but the way God works, it's all going to come back to you. So with that, Trades is out of here, man. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate. God bless, bro. Good luck with your military journey. Good luck with your new trading journey. You will be successful. You will make your money. You will be a good military aircraft maintenance. You will be the best. Uganda Trades is out of here, man. I wish you the best. I wish everybody the best who tuned in.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. Throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
It's a pinnacle code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pinnacle, never tell me killer code. Everybody coming from the who's on a kinapo. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same blood, living in a pinnacle. Yeah.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
Coming with a steam max, bitch with a B-bag. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, one don't get, and we ain't fit, can't get in here. We getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere. The bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. we in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like, we in there.
This young T, young David, young Emma, young Thug, young Boy, young Bear, young Doll, young Nick, young Giz, young Hills. Pull up at your hall, young Mill, young Chill. I say catch him with your pitching, learn from repetition. I got no ambitions, this is so I question my intention.
We throwing money in the airline, we in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like, we in there.